Yeah, we're almost at 4 feet. I'm seeing some more asphalt. I'll go dig some. I just wanted to check each side so that it's not like right there and then. All right, let's try to take a little. 4 foot.
Okay, we may have a foot to go. The one thing I'm curious about is the gooseneck.
Yeah.
Off like they do sometimes.
Do you want to see where we're at?
Close to 5 foot there. There it is. I should be good to free dig behind it, right?
Yeah.
I found the main over there.
Okay, I already got some scoop footage. Hey, Lou, just boom! Closed. Half pressure.
Thanks for this there.
Up!
There you go. Attaboy. There. We found Mikey's abandoned main.
So we hit into that.
We hit into the live main, which also looks like dog.
Woo!
Keep pulling.
Yeah, pull. Yeah, you're going.